Hi there and welcome back to Garfin's creation. In today's video, we'll be testing some Amazon products useful for kitchen. I'll be giving full details and my reviews too, so watch out till the end. So this first product is a crinkle cutter. This is a very useful product which adds an visual appeal to cut vegetables and fruits. So I'm testing this with some potatoes and making some crinkle french fries. This product is really very sturdy and sharp. It's got a sharp steel blade and it's very easy to use. So if you like to make some designer french fries, this cutter is really very good. I found it really very easy in cutting these fries. Now let's test some fruits also. So I tried this with the apple and pear too, and this is really very good. So you can deck up your fruit salads with this crinkle cut fruits and vegetables. So let's try with some carrots too. I purchased this crinkle cutter for $2.78 on Amazon. All these products that I purchased from Amazon, I have checked the star rating and the customer feedback too. After I was satisfied, then only I had purchased them. So if you would like to encourage your children to eat fruits and vegetables, you can cut them with this crinkle cutter and give it to them. These really look good and I would surely recommend this product. I'm also adding one tip here how to store these carrots in the freezer. I generally peel off the carrot and then cut them into smaller pieces and just place them in an airtight box. I have carrot handy anytime in my freezer and use it when I want. I definitely recommend this product and you can surely go for it. The next product is a whisk. This is all-in-one whisker, milk frother and a hand blender. So if you like your coffees a little frothy, you can definitely go for this. It's got 3 speeds to choose from. And it comes with 2 whisk attachments for different uses. I have purchased this for $5.69. The prices which I mentioned over here could vary with time. This hand blender is really very useful and you can change the whisk as per your need. This is also very easy to wash. So this whisk handle is good for frothing. I generally use this most of the time. So it comes with the 3-speed control. You just keep pressing and can increase the speed. Put it off, you just need to press it for some time and it goes off on its own. This milk frother can be recharged and the packaging already contains a USB cable. And once charged, it goes on for a very long time. I'll be mentioning all the products and their links in the description box below too. So here I'm making some chas now, which is my favorite. Added some curds and some masala and salt and adding some water. And in just a few seconds, we got a nice frothy chas ready. So you too can cream up some milk, cream, cappuccinos or lattes too. Previously I had purchased from IKEA a very lightweight hand whisker which I didn't like it. And that had batteries and that had to be changed frequently. So this is nice and sturdy and you just have to charge it once and then you can use it for a long time. You can use that other attachment, the balloon whisker, for beating up eggs, but I just use the same one. You can see how quickly the egg is whisked already. I use this milk frother very often and I would highly recommend this too. Not all 5 stars that you see on Amazon is good, and the next one is here to prove it. This one is a manual garlic mincer. It had 5 stars and it shows that it could cut onion, carrot, garlic. Also the brand name was mentioned as Oviol. So I had purchased this thinking it would be a branded product. I was very much impressed with the items that were shown that can be cut so quickly with this mincer. I had purchased this from Amazon for $7.99. So let's check it out. Nowhere on the packaging or even on the mincer the name of the brand was mentioned. And on the first impression, it looked a very light product. Promised to cut all these items mentioned. The packaging also comes with a cashback reward. So they promise you a cashback when you write a review for them. So always check out the good reviews on Amazon when you buy the products because most of the reviews are purchase rewards with this type of schemes. The blade looked nice, sharp and sturdy, but this plastic container looked very flimsy. I wanted this to cut some nuts. So I thought let me try it first before chopping some garlic. Just try some nuts with this. And when I tried to set it up and close it, it just couldn't do it. It took me almost 5 minutes to get it closed and clamped it tightly. Though they did not mention that it would cut some dry fruits, I just wanted to test this before I could cut garlic. So after struggling for quite some time, it finally snapped in and it set in, and I started chopping the cashew nuts. We need to press it from the top so the spring action cuts the product inside the small plastic container. So I thought this product is really definitely not for dry fruits and not good for chopping anything hard. But wait and watch till the end when I test other products too, as mentioned by them. So here you see my experiment in chopping these nuts is a complete failure, and this product is definitely not for this. Also tried chopping some peanuts. It's really not so suitable for this. Next, let's chop some garlic. So I added some garlic, and this thing prevents the garlic from coming out. And you need to fix this properly before you could start chopping, otherwise it does not chop. So here again it took me some time to really get it snappily fixed in. So garlic, onion, carrots were all recommended by them that this chopper would crush it. I just added a few garlic and I started pressing it from the top, and it really took me some time. And you can see that not all the garlics were getting chopped instantly. By this time I would really finish chopping some garlic using a knife and a cutting board. So I continued chopping this till I could get even more finer pieces. I kept shaking the crusher so the larger garlic pieces would come under the blade and get chopped. So even though that blade kept moving inside, it was not actually chopping all. You need to keep shaking it and keep moving it. And it took a lot of efforts and a lot of time too. You can see there was some more garlic pieces left, so I continued chopping this for some more time. So finally, after seeing that the pieces were finely chopped, I just stopped, and now let's see how it looks. Okay, the garlics were finely chopped, but this took me really lots of time. The hassle of closing the lid. In the meantime, I would have surely cut a lot of garlic manually. Now let's test an onion. Just taken half of just a small onion and added it. But it wasn't getting close, so I had to remove one piece out and then started pressing it from the top, hoping that it would get chopped. Fixing this is a real big problem. So here again, with the spring action, I tried to chop these onions. I did this for quite some time, but still I didn't find the onions getting chopped. So you can see after trying it for some time too, there are so large chunks of onion just left that way itself. So I did that again for some more time, and let's see the results. So this is a big failure and it does not chop onions as promised. So I would definitely advise you that whenever you purchase a product from Amazon, do check out if you receive the same brand name. If you do not receive as promised, do return them back immediately. I definitely returned this product and got a refund for the same. The next product is a set of 2 oven gloves. These are nice and thick, heat resistant and also machine washable. These are cotton glove and got a very good print on it. So if you are into baking, I would definitely recommend this product. It's really very good and fits very nicely on your hands. You have an option of choosing the color and the design, but I opted for this black as I like the printed design on it. The saying on it is so inspiring. And the packing also came with a surprise free napkin. This is definitely very useful for covering your baked items, also for covering your doughs. There's a nice little surprise which was not mentioned on the page. You may have watched in some of my videos that I have already used these gloves. These are good and I got for $2.48 and I would definitely recommend them. The next product is a hot pot gripper. This gripper is good for lifting up small items and bowls from steamers, microwaves, ovens, and even while cooking over the gas stove. It has got a spring so that you can press it and clip on just to the vessel you want to pick up. This is good for small to medium sized vessel, and this is not suitable for very large heavy baking trays. It has a good grip so you can lift up your vessel with ease. If your cooking vessel does not have a handle, You can just hold your vessel with this clipper and continue cooking. So I got this product for $2.45 on Amazon, and this too is quite okay. So I hope you all like all the reviews that I mentioned for all the products here. I'll put all the purchase links in the description box below and even in the comments. Do like this video and leave your feedback in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon again in the next video. Till then, bye bye.